So oftentimes I walk through a house and a seller's getting so excited, or they call me on the phone and say, we're ready to list our home, but we have all these repairs to do. And I always want to say, stop. Let's talk that out first. Let's figure out how the repairs really need to be done, because some people repair things that don't need to be repaired. For instance, I recently had a customer who replaced all the baseboard. There was nothing wrong with the existing baseboard. They just wanted the bigger, fancier baseboard. They spent thousands on the baseboard, and yet their AC unit was 22 years old. Yeah, probably not a good choice of use of money. So before you list your house, before you even start thinking about selling, talk to your agent, have a walkthrough, figure it out, because there's definitely things that people put money into that literally add no value or no desire. There's other things that you can put money into that really increase the value of your home and really increase the desire of your home. By the way, insider tip, swimming pools are a terrible investment, but boy, are they fun. Well, there's a scoop. Edna Wilson, your hometown realtor, as hometown as apple pie.